nangis.
You know I still love you, baby. And you'll never change. I'll fool nobody but you. I'll fool nobody but you. 난 사람은 싫어, 아니 싫어. I want nobody. 난 싫은데 왜 난
Play naman.
Kadto naman to dito sa.
Trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I never used to go out without you. Not sure I remember how to. Gonna be late, but all my girls gon' have to wait. 'Cause don't know if I like my outfit. Tried everything in my closet. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Sick of this dress and these Jimmy Choos. Taking them off 'cause I feel a fool. Trying to dress up when I'm missing you. I'ma step out of this lingerie. Come to the bar with something haze. Get down with nothing much of t-shirt.
Dali lang.
With nothing much of t-shirt. Hoping that I said it was right. When you're clouding up my mind, I get when you're looking fine all the time. No care ever own mine. When you're always taking sides, but you won't take away my pride. No, not this time. Not this time. I've always been the kind of girl that hid my face, so afraid to tell the world what I've got to say. But I have this dream right inside of me. I'm gonna let it show. It's time to let you know. To let you know. This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. 'Cause I let the light shine on
Ganun
me.
lang siya.
Now I found who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. We're driving.
We're driving snow to the snow on Fifth Avenue. And right now the radio's all that we can hear. Narrating songs since the laugh, it's so overdue. It's cold outside and between us over the world slows down. But my heart beats fast right now. I know this is the part where the end starts. I can't take it any longer. Thought that we were stronger. All we do is linger, sticking through my fingers. I don't wanna try now. All that stuff's goodbye to find a way that I can tell you. I hate this part right here. I hate this part right here. I just can't take your tears. I hate this spot right here. Bye-bye.
Ruin to?
Ruin, so beautiful.
Bye-bye. Hello.